Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. In today's baking episode, we are going to be making baked strawberry lemon oatmeal muffin cups. These are healthy breakfast muffins packed with fiber and protein from oats, more nourishing for a healthy breakfast on the go or a school snack for the kids. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. Now let's start with the ingredients. You are going to need rolled oats, eggs, milk, strawberries, brown sugar, applesauce, lemon, vanilla extract, and salt. Next, we are going to combine all the ingredients in one bowl. In a large bowl, add rolled oats. We're gonna also add in brown sugar, followed by salt. We're gonna add vanilla extract. We're gonna also add in 3 beaten eggs. We're gonna also add in applesauce. Next, we're gonna zest 1 lemon, which is about 1 tablespoon of lemon zest. When you zest lemon, make sure you only add the yellow part, not the white part. Next, cut the lemon in half widthwise. Press 1 lemon half on top of the citrus press. Rotate the lemon on top of it. It should catch the lemon seeds. Allow the juice to fall into the cup, then add it to the ingredients on the bowl. The last ingredient we're gonna add is the milk. We're gonna mix everything together, then set aside for 10 minutes so that the oats can absorb the liquids. With this recipe, we are not going to use baking cups. We're gonna go ahead and coat the muffin tin with a non-stick baking spray. After 10 minutes, add the sliced strawberries and mix well. One thing I like about this recipe, you can use frozen strawberries. Make sure they are thawed, then you can cut them thinly, and make sure to discard the strawberry juices released. This recipe is so versatile. You can use any fruits of your choice. Now it's time to divide the mixture among the greased muffin cups, about 1/3 cup each. Once all the cups are filled up, we're gonna go ahead and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, pull out the muffins. Do a toothpick test. If it comes out clean, that means the muffins are done. Allow them to cool in the pan for 15 minutes. Then turn out onto a cooling rack to cool completely. What I like to do, I like to line the cooling rack with a parchment paper, then place the muffins on top. There you have it, guys. I hope you'll try this recipe. Leave a comment down below. Let us know how they turned out for you. Please go support my daughter. Her channel's name is Happy Mancha Traveler. I have her link down below in the description box. Let's take her to 5,000 subscribers. We can do this, my honeys. Thanks for watching. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.